like giving people this. These are deep secrets and deep codes of the Spirit. But I want to help you now. We touched the story of a woman from Samaria, right? Go to Jesus, right? John chapter number 4. Angisho. Udibana naye emfuleni. UJesu yadinga amanzi. Ungamza khuluma amanzi. Waqela hayi ngoba ufuna kumwina kuphela yadinga amanzi. Let me check it in the shallow level. Indlela engibuka ngayo nginikeze le ngifuna. That's why I'm hesitant to tell you. This is a code. The first do not uphiwe. Utrainiwe. Ubamba amadoda. Utrainiwe. Usethu samadoda. Uthela lo mfazi una 4 yabantu abhizi ngabo. Casual now in the city. The first do ugood uthola indoda. The first do not une art of seduction. Une science and chemistry of persuasion. Mfazi ngiyawumbuka ungakhulumi naye. Uyazi ukuthi lo kayemfuleni yokuya nendoda. Uyazi ukuthi lo yemfuleni yokukhuluma nomuntu. I-dress code yakhe ithi khuluma nami. Futhi i-dress code yakhe ithi lala nami. Mfazi lona akakhulumi nendoda for ukuthi ukhulume business yokwakha imali ngenye indlela. Ukhuluma into ukuthi lala nami. Mfazi ugood nokulala nabantu. Wafika kwenye indoda. Kwenye indoda wayithola ihlezi yambheka wathi number 1 tick sengimbambile ubhekela kimi wakhuluma uJesu wathi number 2 tick bavele baqale so bazokhuluma nawe number 3 bullet of affection funa ngikhulumise angikele nguphethe we are building somewhere so ukuthi hook up kanti salvation the turning point yakho so ukuthi namhlanje lolala le emumjuda neba umjuda hayo bethola abantu kanti uJesu akazema ngalesi ufuna amakhiye eSamaria uJesu akazama ngokamsi la ufuna amakhiya ubona lo mama nje ubona yonke into makeup umzimba ngendlela kodwa uJesu uthi amiselana kuba seduce I'm here to save Samaria. uNkulunkulu akangidlulisani ngekhona noma uphetha amakhiya basabona ndinyama laba kodwa nanga amakhiya ayabekho laba angaze ukhuluma noba the keys to this city ikulabantu esohlangana nabo ungalali nabo basindisi ungalali nabo basindisi ungalali nabo ba sexy, phenomenal, great. And there's an empty seat in the house. An empty seat. The seat of Christ. Because when you see someone who is a harlot, it means they are hungry for the presence of God. But they are searching it in every man they end up sleeping with. Wonke umuntu sikhuluma lapha sinabantwana phakathi ophathe umoya wokufela unama-daddy issues. Wonke umuntu obhizi ngamadoda promiscuous unama-daddy issues. But angikhulumi ngobaba kwasemhlabeni, ngikhuluma ngobaba kasezulwini. Umbona emendleleni unama-daddy issues, akafuna imali, akafuna ukulalwa, ufuna ubaba. One of the greatest preachers from America went to a certain place, I don't know the country, and then where the service was, the crusade was, it was close to a street, like the street, but in Jericho Street, like a bank. La bega kona. Yes, Jericho Street. Was bambis ndo tunga vumbo mama kulale. Vumbo mama matunga vumbo boba uzothawu yasinjani. Naniphuma la kuba inkinga ke. Sunday inkosi ngeyisaba inkinga. Uzobona ibhithulu ubona amathumba akho ngoba yokukhaza ukuthi yasinjani. Jericho Street. Okay now, so then now they can go to the Bismarck ifana Jericho Street. So up to this side where uyoke shumayela, but nakawungena ubona labantu abadayisa ngomzimba. Isonto likwethe. But ubona labantu story to the Bismarck shared, and then the team yakhe. I'm sure when at the service ayakubo most of the people ebekasebenza nabo but siyabazi village bafundisi base America. bambuza ukuthi ngithatha malini awo. Bahlala phansi bonke bamtshela ama-prices wabo, wacela imali yomnikelo, wayithatha wabanikeza, wathi ngicela le awa kungishumayela. I don't want to sleep with you, but I will pay to win your soul. Asikhuluma nabantu abasebathola labantu abanjalo abathi noma kungalahlekelwa kuze kutholakale lahlekile, noma ngabakhona okuphumayo kuze kubekhona ongenayo. This week God will give you grace to win souls. This week God will give you heart to win souls. This week God will give you power to win souls. If the price you pay to win a soul is the fight you win to hold the mic, you don't know the price of soul winning. If the price you pay to win a soul is the fight you have won to get to get hold of the mic in the church, you don't know the price of soul winning. See, soul winning will cost you everything in your pocket. So now I umphefumulo akusi mina angiyibeke isizulu into understand mangabe ukaba ukuthi ukuwina umphefumulo ukukhokhela ngokulwa nabantu esibabeka la ngaphambili la usengakwazi kulanda umphefumulo ngekula ungazingela njani esibayeni. Khona umuntu ongangena esibayena esathi usilwane ngoba uphethe isibhamu sokusingela adubulane nezimbuzi adubulane nezinkomo esesibayeni. Umuntu ozingelayo utholakala ehlathini, utholakala ehlane. Wena mawuyisoul winner ngesikubone ngaphakathi sobona nabantu kuya nabo ngaphandle uthi baba naba ebekade ngibalandile bencede sonke nje hayi ngoba ngikula benento ekuyiphetela yabantu basephola abalahlekile. You see, before this year ends, manga kama watu alapona, manga kama watu number 128 what band, manga I3 tuna swa tatu onge 4 tuna bene group. I don't like Christians who stay in church. Tuna bene group etu wadele ngapa yithe sobe sibisi nathi skippa ama flyer sinandi ngephefumulo sibatshela ngeservice okuyathi mlele wakhe ngapha ngiyobe ngikhipha amaflyer funa kube nabantu abaphumayo esontweni le ndawo lesihle sihleli la le ndawo funa siphume siye kibo. Abanye bayiphokwena, abanye bayewaya, abanye bayephezulu le efesi, abanye bayekhayikhuna siyobalanda balanda baba abaveli bayizele bayalandwa ba sesibathandazele sale siyobalanda omase siyabalanda abantu. Jesus didn't see someone who he can sleep with. He saw someone holding keys to the city. Hidden beneath the art of seduction, the art of allurement, the aura to attract men was the key buried inside of this woman. There was a treasure in this trash. This woman was a hookup girl. But Jesus didn't see the hookup girl. He saw the key to the city. The Bible says, he who lays with a prostitute becomes a prostitute because they will become one flesh. Okay, so when I sleep with the prostitute wins, I lose. They transfer prostitution and promiscuous systems and strategies to me. That's why you sleep with a prostitute, then you'll start being lustful in church. Yeah. Because you'll learn a prostitute. No matter how many years you have waited, but if the person you sleep with this year is a prostitute, you will become a prostitute. So now it means when I sleep with a prostitute, I don't get keys. They get access to my position. Come on! If they remove me, it means a kalabona. Because they become my master. I become their slave. I am new in the game of prostitution. So it means they have to lead me. So they have already become my master after the pleasure we have heard. So I've lost my position I've lost my possession. I've lost my power. The power I will operate in is a power I don't understand. That's why you will be in church releasing fire prayers. People around will feel fire, but you will be empty. I went to a restaurant in Sentin, and then I said to the person, have you tasted this meat? The person said, we are not allowed to taste this food. We are allowed to cook this food. All I know is we have the best chef. This is the best meat you will ever have, and this is the best meat you will ever have. I said to the person, you are serving me something you have not tasted. He said, no, my work is to serve. The work of a promiscuous woman is to serve you. And the Bible it omkhulu ilo serve. I know only omkhulu ilo serve. So the prostitute becomes your master. That is why a man will be married, but once waqala ukuthenga estradini, they will leave their marital bed ukuyohlala nomuntu obusy ngamadoda kuphi emjondolo. Ahlukana nomfazi ophilayo agijimisa intombazane yasemgwaqweni azahlukane nomfazi ashade naloya. Why? They have become the puppet. They have become the minion of this. So when I lay with the person and I pay them to be my master, because you can't lay with a prostitute and not pay. Even if they tell you it's for free, it's not for free. You are already paying. Some of the things and the transactions are not happening in the flesh. They are happening in the spirit. So you have paid them. Men will tell you these days, you know what to do kakhulu ke. Lo strategy is tembiso. Kunohlala nomuntu oyi-1 okufuna izinto eziningi. Ungono lo ufuna imali nezimbali. Loya uthatha ubunguwe bakho. They take your individuality. You will no longer feel yourself. If a woman gets used to being admired by drunk men, sober men will bore him or bore her. Umfazi ojwayele ukudunyiswa amadoda adakiwe, indoda engakadakwa nengaphuzi zomnyanyisi. Because le adakiwe imdumisela ukulala naye, le ephilayo nesoba imdumisela ukwakha umuzi naye. I pray that you don't see a liability in a place of assets. I pray that you don't see a liability in a place of assets. Assets. Just that about dagwa. But assets. When you try once you stay with broken people a lot, it becomes hard for you to live and stay with the healed people. An evangelist, if he doesn't move and he stays in a church, ngoba umbakhiphe lo muntu loyo unenkinga yokubakhipha nasesontweni. Umvangeli akahlala esontweni, umvangeli uyaphuma ngoba wahlala kakhulu esontweni into azoyenza uzobakhipha la. Because igrace yakhe yokubalanda abafake esontweni abakhipha esonweni abafake esontweni uyobona isono singeka agcina nithuka ngazalwana wa ufuna niphume naseniphumile unamandla okuphinda nilala. He who lays with the prostitute becomes one with the prostitute. Now, let me open your eyes. It means the woman of Samaria met 5 men who had the potential and power to collect the keys of the city, but they were blinded by sexual cravings that they missed the mark and the point. They slept with her instead of saving her. All the 5 men that came before Jesus were given power to win the city back to God, but because they were blinded, they wanted to sleep. they never defied the age yokulala. Bathi nebenzani balala nomuntu ebekade bathunyelwe kuyolanda amakhiya edolobha. Some of the sponsors you prayed for, God has already sent your way. Your problem is you slept with them instead of sharing your vision and your idea. See, this part is where I don't get amen. Because this part is where you look at your life and you check all your exes, where they are in life now. Then you realize that person carried my keys to my next generation, next dimension. The position of uyongena kuyo umuntu omela kunikeze access yakhona yilo ohlangene naye walala naye. Can I show people here? Bonke abantu olele nabo bebane potential futhi bekabalethile ubaba ukuthi bakuphakamise bakubeke ku next level kuba ulalanga nabo. Everyone you have slept with, there were people sent by God with keys before you met them. So the body count you have is the number of attempts God tried to reach out to you to take to another level, but you slept with them. Manuel, yana nemfula bazohamba labantu. Bonke nabantu ke walala nabo this year. Bebazophendula lo mthandazo we-crossover uthandazile. Bebangazela ukuzolala nawe. Bebazela ukuzophendula lo mthandazo. That is why ngama-Easter uyokukhala uthi uNkulunkulu akaphendule. Kanti uyaphendula usuke walala nabantu ebekosele uyolanda ikhiya kubo. Uyaphendula ubaba amehla akhe afanelekile. Uyaphendula ubaba amadlebe akhe angalaleli. Uyaphendula ubaba and uyezwa. Ubaba atuja enyola. So they're not like them. As key as possible. Let's now start when you're scrambling. Can I talk to people here so that I hurt them to the core? If you slept with them and they gave you money, that money belonged unto you. It was your money. When ukhokhela imali yakho, yabona umuntu olele naye ukuze akuthengele izinto ngeValentine wasukunikeza imali. Le mali akunikeza yona izulu la kuzawukhala ngemali December. La iletha ngalowo muntu loyo. Wena wabona indawo yothando walala naye. The reason wavela wakhipha imali wakunika is because vele bekuveli yakho. Kubangakho batela abantu le mali akunikeza yona after uqeda ukulala naye. Kubangakho uzama ukuthengisa izinto le mali ungayitholi. Kuba kusende yena ukuthi akunikeze le mali. Can I show people here? Uzolimaza namhlanje kunomuntu ovuka ekuseni wa receive 250,000 angakenzi next. Kunomuntu namhlanje ovuka ekuseni wa receive 10,000 angakenzi next. Namhlanje kunomuntu ovuka namhlanje ekuseni waba registered ukukhampani angakalali namuntu. Why aren't you that person? Why aren't you that person? Do you know why you're not that person? The people who have the potential of giving you that, you see them as wife material or husband material. because la ngqondweni kuhambe amagama abantu TSS. Ngikhuluma nawe manje khona receive imali manje. Akenzanga next. They became themselves and they are being paid for doing themselves. Just for being themselves. Look at you. Namanje ngoba liyana la ngaphandle. Ngoba phela la ngasiyazi. Lingathi nje awufonela ukufona wena. Uzothula vele. Uzothula. Lina awezwa namakhaza wena. Awumbizi ngani? Shothi nomunye. Niyazake lapho uzobheka lo nayo. Uzilethile. So the people you will meet this week, angendaba ke nalabo abanye manje azoba sengiyakuqolela for laba ngoba ungazi. Labo zoba meet from now. Bowazi baphethe into zakho. Baphethe